In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a landing page in Webflow. Let's get started. Open your Webflow dashboard and create a new site. Choose a landing page template or start with a blank project if you want to build your design from scratch. Customize the page by editing the headline, text, images, colors, and buttons to match your brand. Add important sections such as a hero banner, features, testimonials, a call to action, and a contact or sign up form. Use the designer to rearrange sections, adjust spacing, and fine-tune the layout until everything looks clean and professional. Preview your landing page on both desktop and mobile to make sure it looks great on every device. Then, publish your website when you're ready. That's how to create a landing page in Webflow. Thanks for watching.